Okay, welcome back guys. We are working on Kangaroo 2017 exam again, and this time we are doing question 23. We're talking about a tablecloth which has a regular pattern as shown in the diagram. What percentage of the tablecloth is black? So I'm gonna zoom in to our tablecloth. This kind of goes back to the concept that like let's say I'm looking at this diamond right here. I know that 1/4 of that diamond can fit here. Other 1/4 can sit over here. Another, let's number it so that it's easy for you to visualize. And then 4th. So this way, if I look at a different tablecloth, that will fit over here, right? Similarly, this one will fit over here. This one will fit over here, right? If I'm trying to figure out the area of it as much as I can. This one will fit over here. This one will fit over here. This one, black might be difficult to see, but over here. And we have this, which will fit over here. So essentially, we got rid of 1 or 2/4-ish side of the tablecloth, right? So let's assume, I don't know what the area is in this case, but let's assume this is 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, and so on, wherever one diamond is settled. Similarly here, so total the length of your tablecloth is 5 units. I don't know what my unit is. Is it meter, centimeter? I'm not sure. So I'm just gonna say 5, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is 5 units as well, right? That means my total area is 5 times 5, because that's a square. This should be 25 units squared. Now the reason why I need this is because I need to find the percentage of what is black over here, right? I do remember that percentage is usually out of the total. In this case, the total is 25. And whenever you're trying to find a percentage with a fraction, you have to multiply it by 100. So now I need to know what portion is black, right? If I'm moving all my triangles to the other side, the portion I'm looking at, which is black, is going to be this highlighted side over here. This is because I basically moved my diamonds from this portion to the other portion, and I'm left with all of that. Now, if I look at this area, it's a rectangle, right? So let me make it a little bit more clear over here. This right here is 1 unit, and then this is 5 unit. That means the area of this portion is 5 times 1, which is 5, right? And the area of the second portion right here, this one, is lying like that. This is 1 unit, remember from here. And then because it has 3 diamonds on the covered area, it is 3 units. So it'll be 3 times 1, which is 3, right? So that means the portion that's black out of the whole carpet, or sorry, the tablecloth, is going to be 5 plus 3, which is 8 unit squared, right? So I'll just do that. I'll put the 8 over here. So now I know how to find the percentage. 100 divided by 25 is just 4, right? And 8 times 4 is 32%. And that should be my answer, which is option D. Awesome.